There you go. Yeah, now hit a little later. You'll go more down the line. See? Even later. More behind you. There you go. See it? Oh, you got to hit the outside. There you go. Even later. Up.
Jimmy is duckies with Claire, meeting his parents. And he took her to the cherry festival.
Okay.
Cherry blossom.
There, even later. More behind you, right? Now, okay, just hit the outside of the ball, you had it.
That was beautiful.
Come on.